There we go. Here's Trisha vacuuming her cat. Which kitty is this?
Sunny Boy.
Sunny Boy is getting vacuumed and he doesn't seem to mind it one bit. Oh, here comes the other one, getting ready to be vacuumed. Alrighty. This is my cousin Trisha, and everything has a place in its home, and the cats get their own room, and they get vacuumed. I can't believe that he just stands there. Oh God. They actually like it. Here comes the other one. I don't think I could do that to my... Oh God, that is really funny. She's done. Ta-da!
The vacuum lady.
Oh God.
Now, would you have